Okay, let's unpack this. We're doing a deep dive today into, well, a really big question, something I think a lot of people in tech, executives, developers are probably thinking about. It comes straight from our source material, which asks, basically, can a company's CEO just, give commands, just list out project requirements to AI tools and then have the entire project, everything, Figma design, front-end conversion, state management, back-end, database schemas, even deploying to production get built automatically. And they specifically,
Including the marketing, too. That
yeah,
just seems huge.
yeah, it is. And what's truly fascinating here is how that specific question, it perfectly frames the whole discussion. It really gets at the gap between what AI can sort of do now versus this incredibly ambitious future vision people talk about.
Right.
It makes us think beyond just like automating one little task. We're talking the whole complex development life cycle, everything, start to finish, even launching it to customer.
Yeah. If a CEO could actually just command all that into existence,
Mhm.
well, I think every developer's jaw would probably hit the floor.
Yeah, no kidding.
And our deep dive into the sources, it really unpacks not just the technical side, is it even possible, but also some unexpected human challenges and what it might mean for how development teams actually work.
Okay, so we've looked at the sources, we've discussed this huge potential scope. So what does this all mean for you listening right now? We've navigated this incredible vision, right? AI automation from the very first design idea, all the way through complex coding, deployment, and like you said, even crafting the marketing campaigns.
Hmm.
It's such a comprehensive picture, it really makes you stop and think, well, how real is this?
Exactly. And this raises, I think, a really important question. Considering everything we've explored today from the sources, just how close are we, realistically speaking? How close are we to this kind of complete end-to-end AI project automation?
Yeah. And maybe even more profoundly, if this vision, if it actually happened, if it fully materialized, what would that truly mean for, human creativity, for strategic oversight, even for the kind of the very essence of innovation itself and how we develop products in the future?